Hi, and welcome to Unlimited3D. In this video, we'll cover the setting up of default materials. The model has already been set up with all materials on our platform. In order to showcase the topic we're talking about, let's select a part. As you can see, the material assigned to it is already set as default. If we go to the Publish screen and open the model as a 3D viewer, we will see that the material is already applied and visible. Let's go back to the editor and make some changes. To the same part, we'll assign a different material now, but not set it as default. After we save and republish it, let's check the model again. The part onto which we made changes still has the material that is assigned as default, and the blue one is not visible when the model appears in the 3D viewer. As we now want the blue material on that part, we will go back to the editor and make it default. After republishing, this change is visible and our blue material is default on the desired part. From this example, it is clear that by setting the default materials, we determine how the model will appear when loaded. In the case of creating a 3D configurator, when one part may have several materials intended for making different configurations, the first loaded material on each part will always be the material set as default. Also, it is important to note that before publishing a solution, you should make sure that each part has its default material assigned. If you have not done so, the model will be rendered without materials and will not look like it does in the editor. Thanks for watching. We're looking forward to having you as a part of our community.